In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Pepperstone Guaranteed Stop Loss. The first thing you need to know is an important clarification. Pepperstone does not offer a guaranteed stop loss, also known as a GSLO. On this platform, you can place a regular stop loss, but it is not guaranteed. That means in fast markets or during price gaps, your stop can experience slippage and be filled at a worse price than the level you set. So what is a GSLO? A guaranteed stop loss is a special type of order that closes your trade at exactly the price you specify, no matter what happens in the market. Even if there's a sharp move during a major news event or a weekend gap, the exit is honored at your chosen level. Because the broker is taking on that risk, GSLOs usually come with a small fee, which is charged when you place the order or when it's triggered, depending on the provider. Since Pepperstone doesn't support GSLOs, here's what you can use instead. A regular stop loss. You can set and manage standard stop loss orders on MetaTrader 5, MetaTrader 4, and CTrader. The process is straightforward once you know where to look. On MetaTrader 5 or MetaTrader 4, open the new order window for the instrument you want to trade. Before you place the order, enter your desired stop loss price and, if you want, a take profit level. Then confirm the trade. If you've already opened a position, you can modify it afterward and add or adjust the stop loss from the order modification panel. On CTrader, open the trade window for your chosen symbol and set the stop loss before confirming the order. If the position is already live, you can add or refine it directly on the chart by dragging the stop loss line to your preferred price level. This visual approach makes it easy to align your exit with key technical levels. Why does the absence of a GSLO matter? During high-impact moments, think major releases like non-farm payrolls or CPI, or after weekends when the market reopens, prices can jump from one level to another without trading in between. In those situations, a regular stop loss may be executed at the next available price, not your exact level. That slippage can widen losses beyond what you anticipated. To navigate this, be mindful of scheduled news, understand the possibility of gaps, and size positions with the potential for slippage in mind. Use regular stop losses consistently, place them thoughtfully, and keep an eye on volatility so you stay in control, even without a guaranteed exit.